All right, back to First Alert weather. Let's take a live look right now at our Sierra at Tahoe sky camera. You can see we got the powder down there, but it doesn't look like we have too many people out there enjoying the slopes right now. But more snow is on the way. Our chief meteorologist is here to time it all out for us.
Yeah, we have 3 storms coming in over the next week or so. Brace yourself.
I know. I hear 3 and I'm like, all right, so it's going to be cloudy for a big stretch.
Yeah, I know. The sunshine, my gosh. So we've had it the last couple of days. It was a treat.
Such a treat. And again, I know how important it is for that snowpack, for the rain and the winter weather, but my goodness, it's been nice outside.
It makes us appreciate those quiet days a bit more. Tomorrow we have winter storm warnings that go into effect across the Sierra. You see that there in blue and purple for Tahoe, for Truckee on the eastern slope of the Sierra. Those are winter weather advisories that are in place for tomorrow. Then you notice some shading here across parts of the Sacramento Valley. It does include Yuba City. Those are wind advisories that go into effect tomorrow as well. That's where we may see gusts approaching near 40 miles per hour. It won't be as strong for cities like Sacramento down towards Stockton, even Modesto. Breezy, but not as windy. Most of the impact certainly confined across the higher elevations where we start seeing the winter weather coming in for tomorrow. Today we've been in and out of the cloud cover from time to time, but the storms, they're lining up again across the Pacific, and the first one coming in tomorrow. By the early morning hours, rain chances will be with us across the northern extent of the valley, especially the coastal ranges, but it's more so midday into the afternoon, the dinner time frame, when widespread rain is moving through across the valley, and the snow levels about 5,000 to 6,000 feet in the Sierra. There'll be a period of time during the day tomorrow, especially during the evening, with snowfall rates approaching 1 to 2 inches per hour. So that's going to result in very difficult travel over the passes during the evening hours. Some of that snow continues into the early morning hours Thursday before we get a break before the next storm comes in over the weekend. When it comes to rainfall tomorrow, I'm expecting about 1/4 to 1/2 inch on average across the Sacramento Valley. There'll be localized pockets under some of the heavier downpours closer to 1 inch, about 1 to 2 inches across parts of the foothills, the western slope, especially north of I-80 toward Grass Valley. And when it comes to snow accumulation with this, the Sierra is going to do pretty well, especially for those higher elevations above 6,000 feet. Blue Canyon, you're looking at 4 to 8 inches. Donner Pass, about 12 to 18 inches of snowfall just with the first storm. Truckee, about 3 to 6 inches. That's why winter weather advisories are in place for the eastern slope, because you're not going to see as much snowfall. Kirkwood, about 1 to 2 feet of snow. Same out by Bear Valley. Pinecrest, about 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. The amounts drop off a lot when you get lower in elevation, especially below 6,000 feet. Then all eyes on President's Day weekend. That's where we have 2 more systems lining up, having similar impacts when it comes to the rain and for the snow. So here's what's going to take place. The second storm comes in on Saturday. We're going to tap into the atmospheric river. That will provide widespread rainfall, be heavy at times. That moves down to the south. Storm number 3 comes in. This likely impacting us Sunday night into Monday. I think the third system will have the most impacts across our state when it comes to rainfall. So when you add it all up together over the next 7 days, we're looking at about 2 to 3 inches, localized amounts as much as 4 inches for the valley, several inches of rain coming down across the foothills, and then early snow estimates over the next 7 days above 6,000 feet. We're talking 2 to 4 feet of snow. So by the time we get towards, say, Sunday, Monday, we have to start thinking about, due to saturated soils, the risk of some mudslides, rock slides because of all the rainfall. We are highlighting Monday also as a First Alert Action Day. That's President's Day, and staying unsettled as we get through next Tuesday. So a lot to monitor in the days ahead. The rivers and streams, of course, running well above average, but I don't think we'll see significant problems along the larger rivers at this point. Curtis?